still again on frequencies of these essential oils from these plants. um, mm, a normal healthy individual, a normal healthy human being do vibrate on a very particular frequency between 65 and 72 megahertz. This is scientific proof. It has been documented. It has been done in the lab. It has been proven. It's not something that we are making up. You can check us out on this one. Diseases as well do have got their own vibratory frequencies attached to them. When we say one has got fever, the particular person normally, when they check his or her vibratory frequency, he or she will be vibrating around frequency around 38 to 42, yeah, roughly around there. And with cancer patients, people with cancers, there will be around 42. They've also, checked, individuals who have passed on, their vibratory frequency. It's at 25, if I'm not mistaken, roughly around there, between 25 and 30, yes, around there. But when you check the vibratory frequencies of essential oils, most of them, not all of them, but most of the very useful, important essential oils like those of lavender, helichrysum, myrrh, eucalyptus, and you name them. There are quite a variety of them. They vibrate between 60 and 380 megahertz. That's quite huge. That's quite huge. That's quite big, if you know what I'm talking about. And with this kind of frequencies and vibrations, you should be aware that we human beings, or each and every single thing that you see around here, a living thing, it's bound together by forces. It's a vibrating thing, but it's bound together by forces, universal forces that bind it together, make it look physical, even though it's not that physical. Because if you can amplify the frequency around that particular thing, it ruptures, it dissipates, it goes into thin air. Just like when you are when you when I mean when an individual, an individual who works with bombs, such kind of individuals, understand frequency. They understand how frequency operates and how it works. It's the same phenomenon, because we are exactly the same thing as been outlined, or as being played around by the universe itself, you see. So these frequencies, you get to harness them from this plants. When you harness them, within them they have got very oxygenated molecules within them. They get to oxygenate the system within you. And when that happens, some of them get to a point whereby they even get rid of the mucus within your system, because mucus is the main core of most of, actually it's the cause of all of the diseases that we know of globally. It's mucus. Because you talk about people who are asthmatic, it's mucus within here, within the lungs. You talk about people with pulmonary, what do you call um um mm, what do you call arthritis. It's mucus, mucus, in the form of acid, blocked within their joints. That's mucus, you see. You talk about people with Alzheimer's. It's mucus within your brains. A variety of them. It's just mucus. So these essential oils have got that power to help you and relieve you from such kind of conditions. But um, they don't normally work to on everybody. The reason being it's because for holistic medicines to get to work on an individual, like for example, let's say